So Facebook banned or restricted your ad account, which means that you can no longer run Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and you want to get your account back. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your restricted Facebook business account in less than 5 minutes. But before we do that, we need to understand why was your account banned in the first place and what you need to do to get your account back. First, Facebook actually bans people just for two reasons, at least to the very best of my knowledge. And the first reason is for policy violation, which means you've gone against one of the advertising policies. And number two, for suspicious activities. So this very account I want to use as a sample here was banned recently because I was trying to set up something for one of my friends. And this account was restricted because this is a fresh account, sort of. So this account has not been used for anything marketing on Facebook. And I am actually accessing this account from a location that is completely different from where the owner of this account is. So Facebook is sort of trying to protect this account, and that is why they've restricted me. So this is a suspicious activity ban. So it is not a policy violation ban. So you need to know where you fall, because the kind of ban you receive on Facebook is going to determine the kind of things they are going to ask from you. So let me show you how to recover your restricted Facebook account. So if you come to your dashboard, you are going to see a very giant sign with a very annoying image that says you have been restricted and you cannot run ads anymore. So if you do not find that, you can come to here where it says account overview, and then you can see this message right here that says you have been restricted from advertising. So you just come here and then you click on see details. So from here you can see it gives me the reason why this advertising account was restricted. It says your advertising access was restricted for security purposes. Alright, this is equally the same as suspicious activity. So what they want me to do now is to confirm my identity. Alright, so I need to upload this to confirm that I am the real owner of this Facebook account. So if you have a different issue like a policy violation, what they are going to ask you to do is going to be different. You are going to submit an appeal to tell them that you did not know about this policy or you didn't do anything wrong, right? So they are slightly different, but the process is the same. So if you come here, we want to say confirm identity. So Facebook is going to take us to where we will have to upload our identity. So now we want to start our review process. So this is the first phase. So you just click on continue, and then it says, okay, help us confirm that it is you. So we first need to pass a captcha. And of course, I am not a robot. I promise I am not a robot. So they are not convinced, so I have to fill this. This is a motorcycle. And we go to the next phase, again, a motorcycle. So this can be frustrating sometimes, but we are stuck, man. So you say continue, and then it wants me to fill in the email address. So I'm just going to get the email address first, and then I'm going to enter it right here. So they are going to send me a login code to this email. So I'm going to say send login code. So now I put the code that was sent to my email. So this is your email attached to your Facebook account. So you click next, and now Facebook wants you to upload your ID. So from here, all you have to do is to upload your ID, and Facebook is going to look at your ID and determine if you are the owner of this account. So before you upload this ID, if your Facebook name is different from the name you have on the ID card, you should ensure to go and change your Facebook name first before you come to upload it. If you don't do that, they are not going to approve you and give you your account back. So the name, it has to tally with what you have on your Facebook account. So if you are doing this for policy violation, they don't necessarily need you to upload an ID. All right, you might just need to have to fill a separate form about the policy violation. So this is how to recover your Facebook banned ad account in less than 5 minutes. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.